Hello guys, we are back into this series of planning for the month of March. Hope this motivates you to plan your month of March also. For the month of March planning, I'm uploading it a little late due to a little bit of hassle that has happened for the past 1 month. So coming to the video today, we are going to do the March planning. So if you haven't got all your stationery and your planner, please get it and keep it ready. Welcome to my channel Living in Bengaluru. My name is Smita and stay tuned on the every 29th for the planner video and as well as the last Friday of the month for the meal planning video of the month. So with this we start with today's video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. So coming back to today's video, firstly I generally start with a review of the month. So for the month of February, not a great month this time because I've had a lot of problems, had some health issues and all that, but yeah, it's still okay because everybody has something or the other and health issues come first. So I had to take care of my health. I had to see that everything goes on well, and that's the reason for the month of February my goals haven't been met. Coming to the monthly review here, I'm going to write so with this is my monthly review, a short, not done much anything, but yeah, most of it what was done I have written it down. A little progress for the last month. My motivation was a little progress. Each day adds up to big results, which I think never happened. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Yeah, this one I have taken it for the last month and I've taken a lot of rest. So going on further, so this was the monthly layout and everyday tasks. Coming here, my mood was quite good, but yeah, couldn't do any of the exercises or yoga. I had a lot of trouble in my health, so I had to take care a lot. Mood tracker I think was really well. So if I have to write my successes and wins, so this is what I have written for this month. Coming to the observation and notes, I don't have anything to write for now because February month I think went on a little slow and I didn't do anything much. Next, happy moments of February. Yes, I did have quite a few happy moments, not very much because I had a few bad times last month, so I will leave it at this. But overall, the month review, if I have to say, went on well with my mood. Not very productive. I couldn't finish a lot of tasks. And if you see my habit tracker as well, my water intake was very good because I wasn't well for almost 2 weeks. So I have taken a lot of liquids and water intake. Then again, it was okay, like not very much, but yeah, pretty much good with the water intake. My morning routine, when I was not well, I couldn't do it. I didn't have the energy. You can see here, there's one day in the middle when I did my morning routine, but yeah, I had lack of energy, so I couldn't do anything. At the end of the month, I have started back again. The tasks that I follow on my phone, this is an app which I follow. I couldn't accomplish anything till almost 20 days. Medicines, yeah, which I have to take, I have taken it correctly. So with this we come to the end of the February review. Now coming to the March, if you have your planner, just like we always do, in the month of March, the first page I write my motivation quotes. I write goals, to-dos and monthly review section. If you want, you can change it the way you want depending on how your planner is. If you are using a journal, then you can change your journal the way you want. If not, this is just a rough idea on what you can write. Depends on what you want to do. You can change it accordingly. Shall we start with motivational quotes? I'll just remove this and put it for the next month. One day at a time. So many times we plan so much, we think so many things, but yeah, so many times it just happens that nothing works according to your plan. There's something else that keeps happening. Unless and until there is nothing happening around you, yeah, you can get things done. But so many times something or the other happens and your plan just goes for a toss. So one day at a time. That doesn't mean don't plan, but yeah, it means that take it slow. It's like, don't feel bad when something doesn't happen. You can be happy even at times if something doesn't happen. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. Sometimes when something bad happens, we keep thinking, why did it happen? But the other way around is to think, something good has happened instead of thinking the bad. Now coming to this part, we use the same way like we did for February. I'm going to use the same method. Goals, to-dos and monthly review. So I will write the same way here. Now first, starting with the goals here, I will just take all this and put it in the month of April. Now here first I will write goals for the month of March. I'll put a link to all the stationery that I have used down in the description box. Make sure that you check if you want to try out something. Here is to-dos, and lastly here the monthly review. Now first, coming to the goals. So this month is a month of exams here. So we have got, both my kids have got their exams. I have to take up assessments for my students. I will not get enough time to finish what my goals are. So I'm keeping my goals very low for this month. I have a lot of schoolwork to be completed for this month. So my goals and to-dos will be at a minimal. Not like exactly how I do every month. So coming first to the goals. Here now I have kept my video goal to a very minimal. Videos as well as Instagram post, I'm not focusing so much, but yeah, whatever needs to be done, I will do it and upload it. I have my assessment portion that I need to, assessment work that I need to complete. If I complete it on an everyday basis, it doesn't become a burden. Otherwise at the end, doing everything becomes too much. So this time I'm planning to start right away with all the work and then spend more time with the kids' study, because I do spend a little time but not as much. But now being the exam time, I think I want to spend a little more time with the kids' study. Coming to the to-dos, a few of the things that I left out in the last month. I need to finish 2 more tasks. I have finished 3, I need to finish 2 more. So a few to-dos for this month. As and when I have something, I will add it up in case I feel like. Otherwise, I will just add it up on my daily to-do list. I will not add it up here because these are the ones I don't know when I'm going to do them. But otherwise, I will just write in my to-do list, daily to-do list. Next, monthly review. This is for the next month. That is when we enter the month of April, we will start doing our monthly review. Coming to the month of March, the monthly layout. I hope you remember that we did this list in the beginning. Depending on how your list is, you can change it accordingly. Now starting with the birthdays or anniversaries, we start writing here first. I always write birthdays and anniversaries in a different colored pen, so I know it is some celebration. I always find it difficult difficult to write in this portion whenever the book is open. This thing, just stops me from writing. So these are the birthdays. I don't have any anniversaries to be included here. Next, coming birthdays, anniversaries, events, no events. Appointments, meetings, my schedule, exam schedule, submissions, tracker setup, the monthly tracker, and my video plans. So I'll just write down briefly whatever my monthly layout is here. In the meantime, you can pause the video and start writing your monthly layout depending on what is your necessity. Coming to my YouTube schedule, I'll just write down my YouTube schedule here now. With this, I have roughly completed my monthly layout. I have not entered everything, especially my school things, which I'm not supposed to, tell outside. So I have written only those things that I can share with you. A few things which I cannot share with you, I will enter it later once I'm done with this. Now, this is a monthly layout for me for the month of March. So I will take this and put it now in April for the next month when I need it. Now moving on here, again same way we start. Coming to, I hope you all have already watched the March meal planner for the month of March. Coming here to monthly habit tracker. Yes, as usually I want to track my water intake. I don't want to track my morning routine because I'm more consistent now and I know I have already come up with the habit. Now I want to track my yoga because I have started recently and I want to be more consistent with it. Other than that, yes, my 2D tasks and my medicines. I've already explained how I tick these marks and how I track my water, so I will not go through it again. You can watch my previous month's videos. I will put a link in the description box below, as well as on the top you can see the video link. If you have any clarification, you can check those videos because I am not going to explain the whole thing again here. Now coming to this one was the monthly meal planner. The boxes were too small, so I took a printout. I made my own printable layout. Coming next to the mini monthly wellness tracker, mood, sleep and exercise, which I have to track it down. So the month of March starts from, that's here, starts on a Tuesday, that's 1. So I will write here 1. With this I will stop here and I will continue it from the next week. Here, happy moments of March 2022. Now with this I have completed the monthly page. The only thing that I have left out now is, in the beginning we had a vision board and goals and not a daily tracker, but we had done a monthly tracker, if you remember, which is this. I had tracked, it's actually a budget planner, but I didn't do my budget. I changed it to the followers tracker, which I'm not going to write now. This is at the month end, that is the last day of the month. So I'm still not going to write it now. On the last day of the month I will do the entry. I've done for January. For February I will do it on the last day. So this is it, guys. I hope you all liked this video and I hope I've motivated you enough to plan your month of March. Don't forget to hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below. It motivates me to do more and more videos. Thank you once again, and I'll see you back super soon. Bye.